Did you lose your dream home to a better offer? Or are you trying to ensure that you obtain your dream home regardless of competition? Well, stick around and learn how to avoid this tragedy. Hi guys, and welcome to Real Estate with Mauricio. Here, you'll find tips and answers to all of your real estate questions, whether you are buying, selling, or investing. Mauricio here. I am a realtor and investor servicing London, Ontario, and its surrounding area. Today, we will talk about how to make an offer in a competitive real estate market. Are you ready to dive into the exciting and sometimes daunting world of real estate? We're going to talk about a topic that can make or break your dreams of snatching your dream home in a competitive real estate market: making a winner offer. I've got some tips to help you come out on top. So let's get started. Number one, research. The first step in making a winning offer is to do your homework. Get to know the local real estate market like the back of your hand. Research comparable properties and market trends. This will help you determine the right price for your offer and give you an edge over other buyers. Number two, get pre-approved for a mortgage. It's crucial to get pre-approved for a mortgage. This shows sellers that you're a serious buyer with the financial capability to close the deal. It also helps you understand your budget and avoid any last-minute surprises during the home buying process. Number three, be flexible and act fast. In a competitive market, time is of the essence. Be prepared to act fast when you find a home that you love. Make yourself available for showings and be flexible with your schedule. And when it's time to make an offer, don't delay. A quick response can show sellers that you're serious and motivated. Number four, sweeten the deal. Want to make your offer stand out? Sweeten the deal. Consider including a personal letter to the sellers explaining how much you love their home. You can also offer to cover some of the closing costs or offer a larger deposit. These gestures can show the sellers that you're willing to go the extra mile to get this home. Number five, stay realistic and avoid overbidding. While it's important to be competitive, it's equally important to stay realistic. Avoid overbidding on a property just because it's a hot market. Set a budget and stick to it, taking into consideration your financial situation and the true value of the property. Don't jeopardize your financial well-being by getting caught up in a bidding war. Number six, work with a good real estate agent. One of the best assets you can have in a competitive real estate market is having a good real estate agent working with you. They have the knowledge and expertise to guide you through the process, negotiating on your behalf, and making the winning offer. So do enlist the help of a professional. Number seven, be prepared for multiple offers. In a competitive market, be prepared for the possibility of multiple offers on the same property. This can drive up the price and create a bidding war. Stay calm and trust your budget and your strategy. Don't let emotions take over and lead you to make impulsive decisions. Number eight, follow seller instructions. When making an offer, be sure to carefully review and follow the seller's instructions. Some sellers might have specific requirements, such as a preferred timeline or specific contingencies. Following their instructions can show respect and professionalism and increase your chances of acceptance. Number nine, have a backup plan. In a competitive market, there's always the chance that your offer might not be accepted. That's why it's important to have a backup plan. Be prepared to move on to other options and keep looking for other opportunities. Don't get discouraged, and remember that the right home is still out there waiting for you. Finally, at number 10, stay positive and keep trying. Keep making offers, stay proactive, and be ready to act quickly when the right opportunity arises. So there you have it, folks, our list of 10 tips on how to make a successful offer in a competitive real estate market. Stay realistic, work with a good real estate agent, and be prepared for multiple offers. Follow the seller's instructions, have a backup plan, and most importantly, stay positive and keep trying. With the right approach and a little bit of luck, you'll increase your chances of getting your dream home. Thanks for tuning in and happy house hunting. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more informative real estate content. And as always, feel free to leave your comments and questions down below. I'd love to hear from you. Finally, if you're in need of assistance and you're in London, Ontario and its surrounding area, feel free to reach out. It would be an honor to help you out. I specialize in addressing pain points and providing solutions. All of my contact information and socials are linked below. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye.